Hello, I am Bob. This is my channel about success, money and investment. Today I will tell you a truth nobody told you about investing in real estate. Including real estate as an asset class in your investing portfolio adds diversity to reduce your overall investment risk. There are many real estate investing strategies to achieve this. Like any investment, taking on real estate in your investment portfolio has its pros and cons. Let's start with advantages of investing in real estate, but before we move on, don't forget to check out my channel for similar content and hit the like and subscribe button to support the channel. Real estate provides a steady cash flow. Rental properties can provide a steady flow of monthly income called cash flow. This is the extra money that is left after all the bills have been paid. Once your property is set up, cash flow provides ongoing, monthly income that is mostly passive, allowing you to spend your time building a business, spending time with family, or reinvesting in more real estate. Real estate appreciates over time. There are occasional market corrections, and people can buy the wrong type of property at the wrong time. But I've found there is always a chance to buy a quality property at a discount, make improvements to increase equity and eventually sell for a profit. A stock can go down to zero, but a property is a tangible asset that will always have value derived from both the raw land and the improvements. Real estate stands against inflation. As the price of a loaf of bread goes up, so do rents and property values. The one thing that doesn't increase is the monthly cost of a fixed-rate mortgage payment. In 10 years, when I want to sell, my properties will be worth a lot more than they are now. Real estate builds equity for you. Rental income pays down your loan each month and builds equity for you. Today you might owe $200,000 on a rental property, but next year you might owe only $195,000 because the tenant is making the payment for you, making you $5,000 richer. You own a significant asset that you can sell or continue renting, all thanks to your tenant paying the mortgage. Real estate gives you control. You have a lot more control over your overall investment success with real estate than with other investing classes. With real estate investing, you are in the driver's seat of a lot of decision making. You can mitigate risks and grow your portfolio at a much faster pace investing in real estate, but investing in real estate has cons as well as pros, and we're going to discuss them as well. Real estate is a long-term investment. Real estate should always be bought with a longer-term strategy. You're buying a tangible asset that you can't quickly liquidate for cash if you need emergency funds. It takes time to sell a property, and the transaction costs are higher than selling stock shares. Real estate takes a lot of time. There's a learning curve, and you can lose a lot of money in real estate if you don't know what you're doing. On top of that, actively managing your rental properties can be time-consuming. Real estate isn't the type of investment where you just buy and forget about it. It needs maintenance, it needs renovation. And in my experience, people don't really take care of a rented property as much as their own. So you will have to renovate it more often than if you would have lived there by yourself. Real estate benefits don't always apply. Although there is an idea that in 20 or 30 years the rent should pay off your investment and you still end up with a property that you can keep renting, it's not always as great as it sounds. Maybe you won't rent it out for 25 straight years, because tenants come and go, and there will definitely be periods where your flat will just be empty, but it will still keep draining money out of you. It will be like a hole in your wallet. And lastly, real estate can be problematic. Tenants can cause problems and cost you money and valuable time wasted in court. If you own rental properties, your cash flow can take a significant hit if you end up renting to a tenant who doesn't pay, leaves the property in very poor condition when they move out, or both. It's up to you whether you invest in real estate or not, but think well enough before you dive into it. Are you actually ready for it? If you liked the video about investing in real estate, Like and subscribe to my channel to be the first to get the updates about life planning, finances, investing, and being successful.